Along the river, you can see the sewage outlets of factories everywhere. The river was dyed in various colors: blue, red, black. Danny said, since 2009, the sewage law is implemented here. The requirement is that every factory must comply with the regulations. But what about the effect? Needless to say, everyone knows, the former Xanadu has become the present hell on earth. Some children also regard the river here as a garden for fun. They frolic in the river wantonly. They didn't know the harm of river pollution to them. Look at them so happy. I don't know whether I am happy or sad for them. And so at the same time, the more frightening thing is, the villagers here will use the water in the river to irrigate the farmland. And these rice will also be used by them after ripening. In order to find out how harmful such a river is to the body, the investigation team specially invited Drive Surari, a famous local doctor, to sample and test the river water. They collected water samples from the sewage outfall of the factory. It can be seen with the naked eye that it is dark red. The pH value is acidic. Then he come to take samples from the wells that the villagers think are the cleanest. But these samples should be taken to their laboratory for analysis. A few days later, the test results came out. The surprising news is, the mercury content in the well is 4 times that of safe drinking water. Even boil the water, heavy metals cannot be degraded. If you drink such water, the risk of cancer will be greatly increased. If a child drinks it into his stomach, it will affect the development of intelligence and body. When these test results appeared on the desk of the Deputy Minister of Environmental Protection of Indonesia, his explanation is, many factories have been punished and managed. But this is a long-term process. They also closed some illegal factories, but refused to disclose specific details. For this result, the local villagers were disappointed. Some villagers did not wait to die. They will look for sewage outlets along the river, and block it with stones. Want to use this to make sewage backflow, disturb the factory, but the place blocked the next day was still torn open. This kind of thing is not personal. We should really control the pollution of rivers. Yes, I want to take the exam. Relevant departments implement the rectification. You can't solve the problem by gambling a few mouthfuls. What do you think? That is all for this video. Like friends, remember to help pay attention to praise. See you next time.